Good morning. Let us start with today's session. Let us quickly revise what we have seen in the topic of game theory. So we started with the definition of game theory, which says that the basic components are four, and the four basic components are it should be a competitive activity. So we have taken this example of IPL. It's a competitive activity wherein multiplayers are there, and these players play together to have some maximum utility. And here the maximum utility is the winning the trophy, and they should also abide some rules and regulations. So this is the definition which we have seen for game theory. Again, I repeat, it's a competitive activity wherein multiplayers play to maximize the utility under certain set of rules. Then we move forward for the assumptions which we are going to assume in game theory. So the first assumption was through this pick, and it says that there should be two players and the decision will based on the outcome of the activity. Then from second pick, we took the assumption that both the players are equally intelligent. The third assumption which we have taken from the picks are there can be multiple strategies followed. There is no single strategy, there can be multiple strategies also. And the fourth assumption which we took out from the last figure was the game is played multiple times. It is not like one time it is played and it is over. It will be played continuous or multiple times. So after this, we have played one game wherein there were two players, and we have taken an example and we have played this game wherein I have told that there are player A and player B, and Salman and Rafiq has volunteered for that. And from this example, we have seen that this player A will be adopting A2 strategy because he can see that in this A2 he can get maximum profit. And if player A is playing A2 and B is equally intelligent, so what B will do? B will play strategy B3 because in that he will be getting minimum loss. What we have concluded from this matrix that A will try to maximize his gain and B will try to minimize its loss. And one more important tip which I have told you from this matrix is whatever values you see in this matrix, okay, whatever value you see in the matrix is with reference to player A only. Is it with reference to player A? For example, this one indicates a profit or a gain to player A, and whereas this minus one indicates a loss to player A. So any value which you see in the table is with respect to player A. Now, one more concept we have seen that all the game which we are playing or the which we will be studying in our course are two-person zero-sum game. And why it is two-person zero-sum game, I have already explained you, because there are two players playing the game. And why it is zero-sum? Because the profit of the first player is equal to the loss of another player. So if we take the algebraic sum, plus and minus will become 0. Hence it is known as a zero-sum game. Okay. So for example here, as I told that this one, what this one indicate? This one indicates that it is a profit to player A. So from where this profit will come? This profit will come from the player B. So it is loss to player B of -1 and profit to player A of +1. So it becomes a two-person zero-sum game. Now let us go towards the various terminologies which we will be using in game theory, some of which I have already explained to you. Just a quick revision. So the first terminology is players. So as I told, okay, now response from your side. How many players will be there in game theory?
Multi-two.
Okay, देखो किसी ने पहले बोला multiplayer. So I already told the game will be played multiple times, but the number of players at that particular time who are playing the game will be only two players. So I will write here player A and player B. Okay, some of them also asked me question that sir अगर ज़्यादा होंगे player तो क्या होगा? So I have explained them. So if there are more number of players, again I took the example of IPL. There are 8 teams. What the 8 teams do? They compete with each other in a pair of 2 only. 8 टीम है, 8 में से फर्स्ट और लास्ट खेलेगी, फिर फर्स्ट और सेकंड लास्ट. दे compete among themselves in the pair of 2 only, and in the finals again there are 2 players. So always game is being played between 2 players, a single game. Okay, then second part is strategy. So what can you tell about strategy? It was the assumption number 3. Yes, answer from your side.
Multiple.
Yes, very good. So there can be a multiple strategy or it can be a pure strategy. So here I am giving you the example of strategies. Let us say one person is opening a shop and he has 3 different strategies. So first strategy is he will reduce the cost. What he will say, okay, अभी तक 10 रुपए में मिल रहा था, now I will give it for ₹9. Okay, so this is the first strategy which he can follow to increase his sales. Second, normally आप लोग ये देखते होंगे इसमें Amazon, Flipkart, upcoming sales. So what they do, they introduce the events like this or activities like this, sale. So as a human nature, we are tempted to the sales and we purchase it. So their sales goes on increasing. So this can be second strategy. Third strategy, now it's becoming very popular. You can see Amazon Pay, Google Pay, Phone Pay, all are giving the scratch cards. So you have to pay anything and you will get the scratch card and you would say scratch and win. So they give discounts on Zomato, etc., etc. So this is also one of the strategy. So there are three different strategies now. Let us say one person or one player A is adopting only one strategy among this. वो बोल रहा है मुझे स्क्रैच कार्ड वगैरह के चक्कर में नहीं आना, मुझे सेल भी नहीं रखना है. I will go only by one of the strategy, that is cost reduction. एकदम सिंपल काम, 10 रुपए की चीज थी, अब से मैं 9 रुपए में बेचूंगा, मेरा काम खत्म, मेरा सेल्स वैसे ही बढ़ जाएगा, मुझे ये सब स्क्रैच कार्ड वगैरह के चक्कर में नहीं पड़ना है. So if he uses only one strategy, if he uses only one strategy to enhance the profit, then it will be known as pure strategy. Okay, and let us say now he is adopting various strategy at a time. वो कॉस्ट तो रिड्यूस कर रहा है, 10 से 9 रुपए भी कर रहा है, और साथ में ये ऑफर भी दे रहा है कि आप अगर ये खरीदोगे तो अंदर से आपको स्क्रैच कार्ड निकलेगा. ये सब पहले होता था लेज वगैरह के पैकेट में. फिर वो च्युइंग गम जो आती थी बूमर वगैरह, उसके अंदर वो खोलो तो टैटू मिलेगा. एंड लाइक दिस मैकडोनल्ड का हैप्पी मील. सो दिस ऑल आर दिस marketing strategies. So what are they are doing? They are using multiple strategies at a same time. So that will be known as mixed strategy.
सर
हाँ बोलो
सर, ये मिक्स स्ट्रेटेजी का बता दो ना एक बार फिर से.
हाँ, मिक्स स्ट्रेटेजी बता ना. जैसा एक बंदा है, अब जैसे देखो प्योर स्ट्रेटेजी में मैंने क्या लिखा, P1 = 1. P1 = 1 मतलब ये सिर्फ फर्स्ट स्ट्रेटेजी को चलेगा, बाकी दोनों जीरो इसलिए बिकॉज ही इज नॉट यूजिंग दैट स्ट्रेटेजीज. वो यूज नहीं करेगा. वो क्या बोलेगा, ठीक है मुझे बिजनेस बढ़ाना है ना, तो मैं एक ही चीज करता हूँ, मैं अपना कॉस्ट रिड्यूस कर देता हूँ. जो 10 रुपए में बेच रहा था, नाउ ही विल एडवर्टाइज दैट इट विल बी नाउ सोल्ड एट 9 rupees. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रेटेजी प्लेड बाय द प्लेयर ए. So that's why it is written P1 = 1 because he is completely relying on first strategy. दूसरी दो strategy वो use ही नहीं कर रहा है. But let us say on other hand, there is another businessman who is adopting more than one strategy at the same time. अब simple example ये ले लो, ये last के जो दो है, first and second. Let us say there is a packet of chips, Lays etc. तो देखो पहली strategy उसने क्या लिखा, सबसे पहले उसने marketing यहाँ से कर दिया. क्या लिख दिया उसने, 20% extra at the same rate. So this is the first strategy. और दूसरा सपोज वो क्या बोलता है, when you purchase this packet and so you will get a scratch card also inside, and that scratch card when you send a message on toll free number, you will get some redemption 50 rupees off on mobile recharge etc etc. You will get a ticket to IPL etc. वो सब schemes लोग रखते हैं, yes or no?
Yes sir.
If at the same time this company has adopted two different strategies, then I will say that it is a mixed strategy. तो mixed strategy देखो मैं कैसे लिख रहा हूँ, P1 = 0.5. वो अपना कॉस्ट भी रिड्यूस कर रहा है, वो 20% एक्स्ट्रा भी दे रहा है, और वो स्क्रैच कार्ड भी दे रहा है. सो इफ यू ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली, द एंटायर टोटल ऑफ दिस प्रोबेबिलिटीज 0.5 + 0.3 + 0.2 ऑलवेज कम्स टू बी 1. तो यहाँ पर सिंगल 1 था, बाकी दोनों 0 थे, यहाँ पर ऐड करके 1 आ गया. दैट मीन्स द प्रोबेबिलिटी और द चांसेस ऑफ ऑल द स्ट्रेटेजीज शुड बी इक्वल टू 1. समझ में आ रहा है क्या होता है मिक्स स्ट्रेटेजी का मतलब?
Yes sir.
Okay, now let us play one more game. Again I will need 2 volunteers, business minded volunteers.